Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not actually going to do like a particular makeup look. I'm just going to sit down and do a full beat glam. Excuse me because I'm literally still in my pyjamas. If you want to know how I got from this to this, then just keep watching. So I went downstairs this morning and I had an omelette for breakfast, and I didn't have like any baubles around my wrist or anything because I had a shower last night. So I had to put some chopsticks in my hair because I couldn't bother like running up the stairs to get a bauble. So this is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Skin Base Visage and it's in the wee sample size. I have so many of these. Ugh. I think I used a wee bit too much. It looks like a human bodily fluid. It's actually made my skin feel really nice. For foundation today I'm going to be using my trusty L'Oreal True Match. I have a wee bit of tan on. I am in the shade Golden Beige. This used to be my holy grail foundation. So I don't actually know if I have told any of you guys yet, but I'm going to be trying to film as much as possible this week. Like every day that I'm off work this week I'm going to try and like film at least twice, but we're just going to see how that goes when it comes to like editing and how much time I actually have, because I am going away on holidays next week. I am for Poland, so I'm going for 4 days. I'm just going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Do you know what always tickles me? Whenever you're watching people's videos and they're like the short shape tape. I swear it tickles me so much, and I know that it's just so silly, but it just makes me giggle. The part of Poland that I'm for is Krakow. And I'm so excited. It may be me, I have been googling Sephora's. So I have been googling where and how close I'm going to be to like Sephora shops, but one question is Tarte in Sephora? Because I don't know. So if it is, happy days! I'm going to cream contour because I haven't cream contoured in ages and I love cream contouring. I really do not know why I don't do it more often. So this is a double-ended product from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to be using the contour side. Jesus Christ, that's bloody light, alright. Oh no. Oh my god, excuse me. So this is the Ciara Daily Beauty Sponge that I've been using to apply my foundation, blend out my concealer and blend this cream contour out. So I'm now going to set my concealer with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to use this shade here. Oh, you can see that I'm wearing my pyjama bottoms. Please do not look at that. I've actually only started using the Kat Von D palette the past couple of days actually. I'm just going to take it to Poland with me because it's actually quite good, because like whenever I travel I try to take barely any makeup at all. Like I'll take a Z palette that has like all my shades in it. You know, like I'll take a palette like this. I obviously don't want to be like trucking around an entire bag of makeup. So I'm now just going to go off camera and do my eyebrows because it takes me far too long to do, but I'm just going to tell you what I'm using at the minute. So this is the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade and it is in the shade medium brown. That's just it there, and I do find that it dries up quite a bit, so I just use my Jaclyn. And the eyebrow brush that I'm going to be using is the Ciara Daly eyebrow brush. I have a discount code down below if you want to check out her brushes. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade right here. I'm just going to use this shade to set my eyelids. I was wondering why that mirror was all fuzzy. Flip's sake. Such a twat. So in yesterday's tutorial I used this shade here from Kiko, even though I know there's like a burnt orange shade in the Modern Renaissance palette anyway, but I just really liked this shade yesterday, so I'm just going to use this shade just on my Ruby blender brush, and I'm just going to be popping this just in the crease. I'm going to go into the Subculture, the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to be using this shade here. Still taking that on the same brush. And then just in between I'm just going to be grabbing this Kylie Jenner blending brush with no product on it. So again, just in with the Kylie brush, and because I done my foundation first, I'm just going to try and be extra careful just on that outer corner so it doesn't look too messy, because I was kind of wanting to do my eye makeup first and then clean it up. But that didn't happen. This is obviously the darkest brown, but there's no like light brown because that's kind of where I'm wanting to go from here. I think I might just have to get my Jaclyn Hill palette out. Oh, what's this one? This is the Masquerade one. I don't actually think this will have like a medium brown in it. These are more colours. Oh, it does! So I'm just going to go in with this shade here. That was really handy. I'm just going to be taking this just on the same Ruby brush. If you're familiar with my makeup tutorials, you would know that I do this. Like, I will literally do like an eyeshadow look with like 2 eyeshadow brushes. I'm just going to swap brushes, and I'm going to go into the Cypress Umber shade. And then because this shade is quite dark, I'm just going to keep on going back into that Ruby brush with no product on it, because there's still going to be a tiny bit of product left on it anyway. And I'm just going to just continue to just blend, because that looks like crap. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. So this is the Stilla Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. This is in the shade Smoldering Satin. I've actually noticed like the longer I've had this, like this is crispy AF. Like it is so dried up. Like it still looks pretty, it still looks nice, but it's just like meh. That is not working at all. That is completely dried up. So I'm just going to use another one. So this is Diamond Dust. So this is the silver one. I want that to be a wee bit more metallic, so I'm just going to go in with this like cream eye base. If you watched my full face using eBay makeup, I had actually used one of these. I had actually got these in every shade that was available, and I was absolutely blown away by these. I have, like as I say, every colour of these, but these swatch absolutely unbelievable. Like they are like jelly, if you know what I mean. I'm going to swatch this one just so you can see. Now I am looking like around the packaging. Like as I say, I got these off eBay. I have no idea what brand they are. So that is the packaging there. So it just says on the side Love Alpha, and Freeze eye colour Freeze, and this is in the shade 02 and colour isn't spelt properly. But yeah, I will have everything listed down below. That is it swatched there. Like, that's absolutely crazy. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, they are all like that. So I'm just going to use, where the fuck are you? Oh, there. So I'm just going to use like a wee Urban Decay flat brush, and I'm going to take literally like the tiniest wee bit, and these do dry down. They do not crack or anything. So I'm just going to place this, just starting off in the inner corner. And I don't really want to like blend because I don't want to disturb what's underneath, but I just want to spread it out through like pattern motions. Keep on patting it and kind of letting it to dry, but I just want to kind of drag this out a wee tiny bit because I don't want it to be just one blunt line. So I'm now going to take this little MAC brush here, and I'm going to go back into the darkest shade from the Modern Renaissance palette, Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to be popping this just on the outer corner. So as you can see, I'm actually taking the shadow like over the glitter a wee bit because it grinds my gears whenever I see people and they just do like a big fart of glitter and they don't fucking blend it. So anybody that does that, if you want to learn how to not do that, you just do like the glitter first and you just kind of bring it back slightly, the tiniest wee bit back further than you kind of want it to be. Then you get your darker shade and then you just pat over the line. It just makes everything look so much more seamless, so you're not just left with this like this big visible glitter line. I'm just going to take that wee Real Techniques brush to just blend that out a wee bit. I'm just going to be using the wee eyebrow brush and liner brush that I was using yesterday, and I'm going to go into that Cypress Umber shade, tap off the excess, and just use that dark shade to just go around my crease yet again. I just find that this just like defines the crease a wee bit more. So I'm not going to do a wing because I do not want to screw this look up. So I'm not going to risk it. So I'm just going to use the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm just going to be doing like quite a thick line. And before that dries, I'm just kind of smudge it a wee bit. I'm going to try and get my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette out, so I have a black to blend that out even more. So I'm now just going to take the Makeup Forever eye pencil and I'm just going to run this just in my waterline. Do you know what? I don't actually think it's possible to put eyeliner on without like pulling the ugliest face ever. You're like... Now for lashes. So I'm just going to be using T lashes. Quite a few styles here, so I'm just going to kind of go through them and show you the different styles that I have here. So these are in the style Teddy. These are very dramatic, as you can see, so I'm definitely not one to wear these today because I think like my eyes are already quite dark as it is, but you can see how dramatic, thick and fluffy these are. But I did get these two ones here in PR at the start of the week. We have Scarlet and Grace, although to be honest these are basically identical in my opinion. Only one is, although one style is a little bit more fluffier and longer. So you can kind of see there, this is Grace, this is Scarlet. So I think Grace is slightly more longer and fluffier. Or is it just me? I don't know. But I think I'm going to go for Scarlet. So I'm just going to try the lash on, like with no glue on it, just to see if it's like fits okay. If anybody is interested in any of these lashes, I do have a little discount code down below, and it is a non-affiliate code. But while I'm waiting for them lashes to get tacky, I'm just going to go and finish off my lips. So I'm going to use this W7 Lip Twister lip liner. This wee one here, and this is in the shade Nude. I got these wee lip liners for, I think it was like 49p. It's either 49p or 89p, but there's like something that's always been in my head that it was 49p, but I am not even joking. See these wee lip liners? They are better than MAC. I'm not even joking. Like, I don't even use my MAC lip liners even anymore. Like, I don't even know where half of them are because they're just absolute gack sometimes. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris. This is in a collaboration with Balmain, and it's called Urban Safari. I'm just remembering I haven't even put bronzer on yet, or highlighter. Oh my god. I'm not one bit impressed. I really need to start pressing this little button here that says record. So I was just putting on my highlighter there. It's the Flexitarian highlighter from Colourpop. So I was just talking to myself and saying that like I'm still not 100% sure about like the formula of Colourpop shadows and highlighters. I think it's just the Super Shock collections because it's kind of like, they're like putty. I don't know, like maybe it's just me, but I just don't get it, and I'm just not used to it. Other than that, like this highlighter is a beautiful colour. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's just the formula that I'm just a wee bit like, yeah. So now I'm going to bronze, and I'm going to take the shade Night palette from Kat Von D. I'm going to take this middle shade here. Kind of been starting to put less like bronzer and less product like on my forehead, because I've noticed on my forehead like it gets so patchy so quickly, and like I don't know what it is. Like it's not as if I'm doing anything different, like any different techniques or anything, but I've just noticed like my forehead gets so patchy. I'm just gonna go back to lips again because I can still see like the outline of my lip liner, and it kind of looks like a wee moustache. So, and then we're just going to take the Makeup Studio lip gloss, and this is in the shade Berry Nude. Like if you like a really pigmented nude gloss, this is perfect. I actually got this in Amsterdam. Oh my god. God, that was so long ago. Oh, how long have I had this? Oh. Do you know what? It does smell a wee bit funky. But oh well, I'm going to be taking this off anyway. It smells like a really old sofa. Oh no, 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 no. No way. And to set everything in place, I'm just going to take the Morphe Continuous Scent Spray. I love this scent spray. I think it's because it was in an aerosol can. I just love it. So I am going to go and do my hair and put an outfit on, and I will be back. So everyone, this is the completed makeup look. So don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Mwah.